Effective learning and productivity often hinge on practical strategies. One fundamental yet often overlooked strategy is note-taking. Despite its simplicity, note-taking can have a profound impact on your ability to retain information, understand complex concepts, and stay organized. In this discussion, let's explore how note-taking enhances memory retention, simplifies understanding, improves organization, and even provides unexpected benefits. Let's delve into these aspects and understand why incorporating note-taking into your routine can be transformative. First, let's address how note-taking enhances memory retention. When you take notes, you engage in a process of active learning. This involves more than just writing down information. It requires you to process, organize, and reframe the content. This active engagement helps embed the information in your long-term memory. Research supports this. For instance, a study published in Psychological Science found that students who took handwritten notes performed better on conceptual questions compared to those who typed their notes. The act of writing by hand engages different cognitive processes that enhance learning. Consider the method of rephrasing. When you take notes, try to rephrase information in your own words. This process forces you to understand the material at a deeper level. For example, if you're studying a historical event, rather than just copying the textbook's description, summarize it in your own terms. This approach reinforces your understanding and memory. Next, note-taking can significantly aid in understanding complex concepts. Complex ideas often require breaking down into smaller, more digestible parts. This is where effective note-taking methods come into play. One popular method is the Cornell method. This involves dividing your page into three sections: notes, cues, and summary. During a lecture or reading, you jot down key points in the notes section. Afterward, you write down questions or keywords in the cues section. And finally, summarize the content in your own words in the summary section. This structure helps in organizing and reviewing information efficiently. Another effective technique is mind mapping. Mind maps are visual diagrams that represent words, ideas, tasks, or concepts linked around a central concept. For example, if you're studying for an exam on biology, create a mind map with the central node being biology. Branch out into different topics like genetics, ecology, and evolution. Each of these branches can have sub-branches with more detailed information. This method helps visualize relationships between ideas and facilitates better understanding. Well-organized notes can dramatically improve your efficiency. The key is to develop a consistent system that works for you. Here are some strategies to enhance note organization. First, use headings and subheadings. Clearly define sections in your notes. For example, if you're taking notes on a lecture about economic theories, use headings like classical economics, Keynesian economics, and monetarism to separate different topics. Second, employ bullet points and numbering. Bullet points help in listing key ideas without getting bogged down by lengthy paragraphs. Numbering can be used to indicate steps in a process or sequence in arguments. Third, color coding. Use different colors to highlight important concepts, definitions, or categories. For instance, use one color for definitions, another for examples, and another for key points. This visual differentiation can make information retrieval faster and easier. Having a systematic approach also means creating a logical structure that makes revisiting notes straightforward. For example, using digital tools like Evernote or OneNote can provide searchable and easily accessible notes across multiple devices. Beyond the core benefits, note-taking has additional advantages that may not be immediately apparent. First, creativity boost. Taking notes can foster creativity. By jotting down ideas as they come to you, you create a repository of thoughts that can be revisited and developed into new concepts. For instance, if you are working on a project and have an idea, write it down immediately. This habit can lead to a rich collection of ideas that might spark innovative solutions. Second, stress reduction. Writing things down can be a form of cognitive offloading. When you have a lot on your mind, jotting down tasks and ideas can help clear mental clutter. This practice can lead to reduced anxiety and improved mental clarity. For example, creating a to-do list at the end of the day can help you organize tasks for the next day and alleviate the stress of remembering everything. And third, enhanced problem solving. Note-taking encourages reflection and critical thinking. When you review your notes, you're engaging in a process of reflection that can lead to new insights and solutions. This practice helps in identifying patterns and connections that may not be obvious at first glance. In summary, taking notes is not merely a rote exercise, but a powerful tool that enhances memory retention, simplifies complex concepts, and improves organizational efficiency. It also offers unexpected benefits such as boosting creativity, reducing stress, and enhancing problem-solving abilities. By integrating effective note-taking techniques into your routine, you can significantly impact your learning and productivity. Thank you for your time and attention.